So here's an example of why unit price is very practical. So we can use unit price to help us figure out what the best deal is in the grocery store when we buy something. So for example, 750 gram package of Fruit Loops costs $4.50. The question is asking, what's the unit price per gram? So remember, to find unit price, you're always going to take the cost, $4.50, and divide it by the amount you buy, in this case, $7.50. When you do that, you get 0.006. Whoops. Per gram. Now, I know that seems really small, but that happens a lot with unit price because it wouldn't be reasonable for this package of Fruit Loops to cost like $20. So often we are going to get really, really small numbers for unit price. So now this is asking, would the, lost my train of thought. So now this is asking, what about a 1.2 kilogram box and that sells for $6.75? Let's compare it and let's see which box is the better deal. One of the things you have to be really careful about when you're comparing unit price is to make sure that the units are the same. So in this case, it says 1.2 kilograms. This one was in grams. So before we can proceed, we have to change this one to 1,200 grams. So the units have to be the same before you can compare the unit price. So now we can find the unit price of this one. And that one was 0.005625. So 0.00, whoops, oh, now my pen's not working. 0.005625. Now, sometimes you don't really need to go to this many decimal places. I am in this case, but often you just have to go to enough decimal places to be able to compare them. So when we compare these, what we want to look for in this case, in unit price, is we want to look for the one that's cheapest, because that's going to be the better deal. So in this case, the 1.2 kilogram box is slightly cheaper per gram than the 750 gram box. So the better deal is the 1.2 kilogram